One of the most annoying features of WhatsApp is that you can't use it on more than one device at a go. I mean, sure, there's WhatsApp web and the desktop apps, but these need to be tied via an umbilical to your phone before it works. And if your phone loses internet, we all know how that goes. Your messages stop going through, and then it's a pain to get it all set up again and whatever. But change is upon us, because WhatsApp just released to the public a beta version of multi-device support. Now, the way this works is sort of similar to the way WhatsApp web and the desktop clients work, but this time you don't need your phone to be on for it to work. Setting up is quite easy. On Android, just click the menu and choose linked devices, and then there you can choose join beta. Once you've joined that, you can add new devices and you scan it using a QR code as before, and this time instead of immediately opening up WhatsApp, it will take a couple of seconds to download your messages and load them onto your device. Now, this isn't what we want exactly. What ideally we want, especially for people with two phones, is you have both your devices connected to WhatsApp at the same time. Well, for now it's in this beta and you can only do so with WhatsApp web and desktop clients. There is reason to believe, however, that when the full version comes out, or at some point after it comes out, there should be support for other mobile devices to be able to connect to your WhatsApp. So I've been trying it out for a few days at this point, and for the most part it works really well. I never find it lagging behind the phone, because how it works is your phone is still the main device linked to your WhatsApp account, and it just does a really good job of syncing all your messages up most of the time anyways. And I found that often if I have it open on my computer, then the computer gets the notifications quicker than the phone. It is with its glitches, and it is a beta after all, so sometimes your messages won't load up on your linked device as you expect, especially if you've logged off or restarted the device. Then some messages will not load and you'll be missing that. Another thing is that it doesn't load all your messages, otherwise it would probably take forever and a lot of space on that linked device if you're to have your entire WhatsApp history. So it only loads up a few of them, and just enough for you to be able to continue your conversations. And in fact, it will even tell you that if you want to see all the messages, then you need to go back to your main device. Also, there's some file formats that maybe people share, some media that people share, and it's not yet supported on the linked device, as is calling. So for those we'll have to wait. And you can only link up to 4 devices, which I think is fine for the most part. It's a step in the right direction. Well, this has been a really short one, second short one of this week. But if you found this video entertaining, helpful in any way, leave a like and get subscribed and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post a new video. And I'll see you on Tuesday.